The Canvas dashboard. The dashboard is to be a concept map about data cleaning techniques. Here's a breakdown of the information in the dashboard. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Center text. AL model, data cleansing, also known as data cleaning or data scrubbing. Left side. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. Title, author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Expertise, data cleaning techniques. Right side. Concept, data cleaning. Business idea, AI, model data. Bottom middle, cleaning. Work. Data cleaning, also known as data scrubbing, is the process of preparing data for analysis by identifying and removing any missing, incorrect, or irrelevant data. This is a crucial step in the machine learning, ML, pipeline, as it can significantly impact the performance of the ML model. The Canvas dashboard briefly, including upcoming assignments and deadlines, new announcements from instructors, recent discussions and files in your courses. The dashboard you've uploaded appears to be an informative graphic related to data cleansing in AI models. Here's a detailed explanation. On the left side of the dashboard, there is a definition of data cleansing, which is also known as data cleaning or data scrubbing. This process is essential in preparing data for use in AI models, ensuring accuracy and consistency by removing or correcting erroneous data. The right side of the dashboard seems to illustrate a hypothetical application of an AI model, possibly named Medellin, for a bill of materials, BOM. The colorful light bulb graphic amidst handwritten notes suggests the concept of idea generation or brainstorming, likely in the context of business development and data cleaning techniques. The contrast between the formal definition on the left and the creative illustration on the right highlights the blend of technical precision and creative thinking that is often required in the field of AI and data science. Overall, the dashboard conveys the importance of data cleansing in the application of AI models, particularly in areas such as BOM, where accurate and clean data is crucial for effective results. The visual elements serve to make the concept more engaging. Component hierarchy, checking for circular references, broken linkages, or missing parent-child relationships. Quantity information, checking for inconsistencies, identifying unrealistic values, and ensuring data completeness. The document outlines the common steps involved in data cleaning. Identifying irrelevant data, removing data points that don't contribute to the analysis. Detecting and eliminating duplicates, identifying similar entries based on specific criteria, merging duplicate entries with complete information, and removing redundant entries. Fixing structural errors, correcting mistakes and inconsistencies in how data is formatted. Handling missing data, estimating missing values based on other data points in the dataset, eliminating entries with too many missing values, and gathering additional data to fill in the missing information. Addressing outliers, investigating outliers to understand potential causes, removing outliers if they're truly errors, and adjusting analysis methods to account for outliers if they're valid data points. Validation and quality assurance, QA using graphs and charts to identify inconsistencies and running checks to confirm data accuracy and completeness. The document provides a specific example of data cleaning with a bill of materials, BOM. It concludes by emphasizing the importance of clean BOMs for efficient manufacturing processes. Please note that this is a high-level summary, and the actual document contains more detailed information. Thank you.